Free resources to learn marketing in 2022. Marketing is booming and you can make a killing as a professional marketer and if you understand it well. Handling the marketing aspect of your business becomes very easy even if you choose to hire a digital marketing agency. So today I am going to break down the best free resources for you to learn marketing so that you can hit the ground running and jumpstart your marketing career or grow your business. The first place that you can learn online marketing is Google's Online Marketing Challenge. This is a course that's probably one of the most comprehensive out there for beginners. Not only does it give students a real-world experience in marketing, but it also offers a global academic panel, which is essentially modules that covers various aspects of digital marketing that are taught by top academic panelists. Students then can go to work with non-profit companies to build online advertising campaigns. They are given a budget of $329 USD per day. Students can compete to show off their best advertising skills, which isn't expected to be much as this is for beginners. However, it is important to note that this option does have a competitive angle. It isn't just course, it's actually applying what you have learned. Second is Social Media 101 course by Constant Contact. This course essentially teaches you step by step how to build your own social media presence across various platforms using what you have learned on channels like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Google My Business, Snapchat, and even YouTube. This course gives a lot of practical value to students by giving them examples of lessons as well as offering how to guide and glossaries. The best part, this tool is completely free. Third is HubSpot Academy. It is very powerful. HubSpot Academy offers digital marketing courses in nearly every subject, even allows you to get a certification when you are finished with the course. That will look great on your resume, from advertising to growth marketing, all the way of website design. HubSpot offers a plethora of different design courses for digital marketing beginners. They offer many different forms of teaching, including guides, webinars, and even provide different marketing templates like social media editorial calendars, templates, and whatnot. Fourth is again by Google. It's Google Skillshop. It's Google official platform where you can learn how to do marketing using Google products like Google Ads, Google Analytics, and Google My Business. You can essentially learn how to run paid ads on Google's platforms like search, display, network ads, their mobile ads, while you are learning how to do marketing for local businesses and measure the results while using Google Analytics. A good example of this is you can learn how to run ads within Gmail. Right, Gmail has a ton of users, but very few people in marketing run ads on Gmail versus running it on Google search. It also has training ranging from introductory to advanced courses, so it can be helpful whether you are just starting out or you already have some experience. You can even get a certification from Google itself. I have seen quite a few companies love this and find value in it. And again, it helps with your resume. Fifth is Skillshare. Skillshare is an excellent resource to learn everything about marketing and other niches as well. It's a platform where you can share your knowledge and expertise with your peers and beginners. You can also become a part of different groups to advance your real-time learning. Sixth one is SEMrush Academy. A lot of people use SEMrush as an SEM content marketing tool, but many of them don't know that it goes above and beyond the basics. There are tons of other features in there, like they'll even tell you traffic that a website has, demographic information, and the list keeps going on and on. Their training offers both basic and advanced concepts, so it works for both beginners and pros. They can all benefit from this. It is just not about SEMrush. They don't just constantly promote their tools. It includes things like technical SEO, link building, keyword research, and content marketing. It's free and they offer certification as well. Seventh is my personal favorite, Ahrefs Academy. Ahrefs Academy provides you with the best tools and courses on marketing. Learning from the courses here will help you with critical understanding of keyword research and optimization, competitor research and market analysis, backlinking and link acquisition, planning strategies for better SEO sitemap, and overall more traffic and leads. Do you know what is the best part? It has nothing to do with using Ahrefs tool. Instead, it is a collection of useful video courses to fasten your marketing journey. Eighth is Facebook Blueprint. This is Facebook's official training that will walk you through some of the different topics on marketing on Facebook and Instagram. It ranges from creating ads to managing your Instagram business account. Much like some of the other sources I have shared, this platform is great for beginners and advanced marketers where they can learn a lot because Facebook really goes into the nuance of how to use their platform. It also offers a certification, which again is great if you are looking for a job and for other ad agencies or marketing position within a corporation. Copyblogger also offers a course. It's called Internet Marketing for Smart People. Copyblogger has been around for a lot of years. They have a lot of high quality content on blogging and content marketing. It includes cool things like direct response copywriting and coming up with offers that you can sell to your audience. It will basically give you a framework to start an online business from scratch, covering a lot of marketing techniques that weren't necessarily covered in any of the other courses I talked about. So it's definitely worth checking out. In conclusion, my honest opinion is there are a lot of courses that are worth it, but the ones I mentioned are some of my favorite that you don't need to spend $1 on. They are effective, they are great, they offer a lot of benefit and they'll help you throughout your journey in digital marketing, especially if you are looking for a job. Now, if you have any questions on any of these courses or others, leave a comment below and I'll answer it. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.